No time, no time! Gotta go!
Oh, why?
What happened?
Why is he walking like his tail is on fire?
I don't know, but I respect the panic.
I forgot something!
What did you forget?
I don't remember!
You're rushing to find something you can't remember?
I think so!
That's the most duck thing I've ever heard.
It's been a stressful morning.
You think he's okay?
Nope, but he's committed.
Be honest. How many times have you rushed somewhere and forgotten why?
Countless.
Exactly. Follow before we remember what we forgot.